Okay, last time we have already discussed about these all the LCM, GTCM, and these we have already done the practical also. And today we are going to discuss about how we can insert the function. Okay, means this the insert function is the one of the option in the function library group that helps in the creating the formula. Let us explore this option. Okay, now here click on the cell which you want to enter the formula. Okay, click on the insert function button and present on the formula bar tab. Okay, and now click on the insert option fx button present on the formula bar and enter these will be the insert function along with the equal sign. Okay, after that in the insert function dialog box you can search function by typing the brief description of the what you want to do. Search function text will be in case and the refer function. For example, add the number, return sum function, and in the or the select the category text you want to select the category of the function like a math, tigro, G, GCD function. If you are not familiar with the category, you can select all, which will display the alphabetical list of the function in the selected function list box. Okay, and select the desired function from the display list and then click on OK. This will open the function argument dialog box when we are enter the cell reference value, then the click on the OK to get the result of the function. Now here we can see the practical also. Now first of all we have to open Excel. Okay, and we know that how to open the Excel is here, and click on the Excel sheet. Okay, when we click on this Excel sheet, the Excel sheet will be open. Now see, the Excel will open. Now see, now we are going to apply that function. Okay, we have to click on the insert option. When we click on the insert option, that insert function will be seen or display here. Okay, now see here, when we click on the insert option, now okay, now see here, the function that name is insert. Okay, and will be also display over here. Okay, if you not find any function over here, then okay, and now we are going to insert the sum function. That is the function name is sum. We have already know about the what is the function of sum, and here is that function that we are going to know about the insert. Now due to the slow process of okay, let's take the time. Now we are here, we are going to find about that. Now we are going to insert that formula. Okay, and by clicking on the formula, whatever you want to insert the any type of option related to the formula, we have to click on the formula option. Okay, when we click on the formula option, the function is displayed, that is called the insert function. Okay, see here, this is the insert function. Okay, and if you want, I have told that if you want to search anything, so if you want to do the add, then if you type here add or sum, the related, okay, sum, and click on the this. Okay, where we can find the this sum option. Okay, now see here, the sum function is available here, and whatever you want to do there, we can do there. Okay, this is the way how we can use the insert function. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about the function that called the insert function. Means we can insert any type of function in the formula bar also. And now here we that formula error. What type of error come when we type in the any Excel sheet? Okay, now see here, this type of error come when the number is bigger and the cell is smaller, then this type of error will become this. Okay, and next is that this type of error, it occurs formula it used exactly. This type of error called when we insert the incorrect formula. Okay, and this type of error will come when it's contain the invalid argument. We'll do this practical also. And now this type of error will come when we divide by 0 or the any other function. Okay, and these are the function. Formula are used to perform the calculation involving the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Space that can be the included there. Okay, and this is the overview about all the functions which are used in MS Excel. Okay, now here we are going to do the practical of this error. Okay, now we have opened this. Suppose that we have entered this type of number in there, and after that when we click on this, see here, this error will come like this. Okay, because this error, see here, and now if you want to add this, okay, multiple, and okay, and now we have already, now see here, when we join that, see here, the error has been come like this. Okay, means that if you want to see here, this error means when we enter the more number and when we make the cell so smaller, and this type of error will appear in this. Okay, now this is your end of your chapter. Now next chapter we'll discuss about the chapter 6, and in that chapter 6 we'll discuss about the more and more about the other functions. Okay, now